Jeremy with Lilywood Studios. I just want to tap in real quick and let y'all know this ain't just about engraving or building stuff with our hands. We're about to start building something deeper. Coming real soon, I'm dropping a full series of motivational videos, speaking to the folks who've been down and counted out and never gave up. You ever been through something? Prison, pain, struggle, setbacks? This is for you. We're talking rebuilding after prison, staying solid through the setbacks, getting money the right way, and way more. It's going to be real, it's going to be raw, and it's going to be something you can feel. So hit that subscribe button, share it with somebody who needs to hear it, and get ready. Lilywood's about to get louder. Let's build, y'all.